Hey, Miss Huddle.
Hey!
Look, you're going to the movies. You must be.
Oh my gosh, what am I going to get to see?
I don't know. What do you want to see? I hear there's a new How to Train Your Dragon.
Oh my gosh, I'm all about it.
Okay, are you going to get popcorn and soda when you're there?
Yes, and I'm feeling generous.
Ooh, maybe you can take some friends with you.
I'm ready.
Okay, well, it says that Miss Huddle bought the same number of popcorn buckets and sodas. She paid a total of $100. How many sodas did she buy? And we can see from our picture that popcorn costs $7 a bucket and soda is $3 a bottle because movie theaters are expensive.
Yes, ma'am.
So, Mrs. Chagrew's here with us today, scholars, and she's going to help us solve this problem because I want to know if I can go to the movies with Miss Huddle and if I can get popcorn and soda too.
That's right. Good afternoon, Mrs. Chagrew.
Good afternoon, ladies. Alrighty, here we go. I like to always start my problems out with a bar model. So I am going to draw my big, beautiful bar model. Okay. And I know that Miss Huddle is going to spend a total of $100 at the movie theater. She's feeling super generous today. So here's our $100. Ooh, let me fix that. And now I need to figure out how much one popcorn and one soda is worth together. So I'm going to take my wonderful popcorn price of $7 and I'm going to add it to that lovely $3 so that I can get a soda too, or Miss Huddle can get a soda.
I'll share.
And I know that 7 ones and 3 ones makes 10 ones. And now I'm going to go over to my bar model. I know that one popcorn and one soda is equal to $10, and I need to figure out how many tens it's going to take to get to 100.
Ooh. Can we count by tens?
I think that we could. You want to do that for me, Mrs. Sexton?
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Oh my goodness. That's a lot of tens. That's
is.
10 tens. 10 tens make 100.
Mm-hmm.
So is my answer 10?
I don't know, Mrs. Sexton. I know it costs $10 for one popcorn and one soda, and we want to know how many sodas Miss Huddle's going to buy for her and her friends to go to the movies. So I think I need to see. Let's double check it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think you were right, Mrs. Sexton. I always like to go back and check my answers just to make sure.
That's a good idea.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so our answer is that Miss Huddle buys 10 sodas. Hey, Miss Huddle, it looks like you can go to the movies with 10 people. Well, including yourself. So you get to invite 9 friends.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Can I be one of your friends?
I would love it. Miss Chagrew, do you want to come?
I would love to go. Can I bring my daughters?
Yeah, okay, good. Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
What about Mrs. Mitchell?
Ooh.
She loves the movies. She goes to the movies all the time. We should totally invite
Let's see.
her.
So that's 1, Miss Huddle, Mrs. Sexton, Mrs. Chagrew, Mrs. Mitchell, baby 1, baby 2.
Oh, we have 4
Four
more
more
friends.
Miss Huddle, pick a stick. I'm bringing hope.
Wow, that's so cool.
Mrs. Sexton, pick a stick.
I'm bringing Jackson.
Mrs. Chagrew, you want to pick a stick?
Sure. Oh, man. I think I'm taking Ariel.
Ariel, that's 9. And last but not least, Benny's getting a ticket because I heard there's training for my dragon.
Awesome.
I can't wait.
All right, so scholars, we have another problem that we want to see if you can do. So let's take a look at this next problem.
Woo!
Here's your challenge. Adults cost $6. Kids cost $3. The same number of adults go to the movies as kids. I pay $45. How many kids can go to the movies? Solve this problem. Bring it back on a piece of paper to show your teacher for a special teacher high five. Have a great night.